Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Ever wanted to check what apps you've downloaded on your Android device? Whether you want to reinstall an old app or just see your history, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to see your download history on the Google Play Store in just a few simple steps. Let's go. First, open the Google Play Store app. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens a menu where you can manage your account. Now, tap on Manage Apps and Device. This section helps you control everything related to your installed apps. Here, go to the Manage tab. By default, it shows your installed apps, but if you want to see old apps you've downloaded before, tap the filter icon where this device is also written. Then select Not Installed. Now, you'll see all the apps you've ever downloaded from the Play Store. And that's it. Now you can easily check your Google Play Store download history anytime you want. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech videos, and turn on notifications for our upcoming videos. See you in the next one.